Next up, the Hollywood Tower of Terror. All right, we got Noah here. We're at Pants, his first Pants ever. Obviously, he's competing with all the grays. This should be pretty fun. We're just here to kind of check it out, see what it's like. All right, let's go. Good job, Noah. Good job. Pressure, pressure. Good. Yeah. All right, everyone, we just finished Pan Kids. We got Noah and Alex here. We just arrived at Epic. Y'all ready? I know I'm from Cali, so I'm not sure what kind of gang signs those are. All right, judging by that coin up top. See over there. In line, they did pretty good job in the decor. A big old chair there just to give you an idea. Look at this is how big Noah is. And that's how big the chair is. Noah, chair. Noah, chair. You get it? It's almost like the Twilight Zone. Whoa, get some bill. Careful, Alex. You don't want to get burned. Let's see if we can find you a King Kong.
A fine golden banana has been safe in the temple.
Like a board? Waterboarding? Nope. Wakeboarding? Nope. There's a wave and you're on something. Kind of? The second, yeah. Yes.
All right, let's go. Check it out, it's pretty dark. Uh-oh, Alex is scared of the dark, y'all. Oh, that's legit. Stay close, Alex. Alright, visiting the next land, judging by that hourglass, Harry Potter world. That would be alright, that was pretty cool. Look at that. Golden Phoenix. Pretty legit. So Noah, you're half Viking from your mother?
This is my room.
That's right. You are half Viking and half
Everyone,
of me.
I'm here.
Noah's mom is Viking, so here you go. All right, y'all, we're at Volcano Bay. That's right, water park today. These two in front of us have what do they call it? Express passes. So they'll be able to go on all these crazy rides pretty quick. Should be pretty fun. Let's go see what this place actually looks like. All right, everyone, we've got it in. You can see our hotels over there. That's pretty cool. And got these crazy looking watches that we'll get on here shortly. And then let's keep walking that way until we find a place. All right, this is the last day of vacation. Alex, Noah here. We're straggling through. As you can tell, Noah is so excited. Today we're gonna actually change it up. No more Universal. Today we're gonna be doing 2 Disney parks, maybe 3. Who knows what the day brings? Let's see if we can, 2 days, 2 parks for sure. A 3rd, just in case we wanna cause some shenanigans. But if not, we'll see how it goes. But as you can tell by that tower over there, we're doing Hollywood Studios. All right, we made it in, got through security. Alex was flagged for a little bit, something about being suspicious. Is that right, Alex? All right, now we gotta get Alex a magic band because she don't have one.
Time to here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect day. We'll sing a song and absolutely nothing will go wrong. We're going the highway, and the going my way.
All right, next up, the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Looks like everyone's in line for the Hollywood Tower of Terror. You ready, Alex? You ready, Noah? We're getting closer, I feel it. Maybe because we're in a room. Alex, you're excited. The anticipation is killing you. Literally.
Unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
This may be the last time I see my family. According to the video, we might be transferred over to another time. Noah, if I don't see you again, farewell. Live a good life. Alex, deuces. All right, we're on the way to the next park. Park 1 done. Mission accomplished. We're gonna try to see. We're gonna see if it takes us where we need to go. Let's see. All right, so apparently we're on the Skyliner. We're gonna make about 3 Skyliner to Epcot, and Epcot to the monorail.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Thanks.
On to the next Skyliner. There we go. Air taxis, right? That's the way to go.
I never thought I'd be on one, but
There you are, living the life. All right, on our way to Epcot. You see Epcot over there?
and you can see there's an air balloon right next to us.
In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort.
All right, we made our way through Epcot using a Skyliner, dropped us up off the back. Time for the monorail. As you can tell by the castle and the songs, we made it to Magic Kingdom.
They did it! Mickey Mouse! Mickey Mouse!
All right, park number 3, we just finished eating. We're about to go and check out one of the rides. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get lightning passes for today. Apparently they've been sold out for since I tried to get them, so all good. I'll have to check out the line. Alex, what ride are we doing?
The dwarf's one.
The Little Mermaid ride. So you can see Noah over there. It's a really hot day today. If you ever happen to go to a theme park in Florida in July, apparently you need those things. You need a cooling towel. All right, next up for today is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs train ride. You ready, Noah? All right, y'all ready? A long wait. Y'all know what ride we got next. If you don't know what that is, I don't know what to tell you.
Haunted Mountain.
Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
All right, we're at the end of our trip. It is time to go home. We are packed, ready to go, checking out. You guys have a good time?
Yeah, great.
How many theme parks did we visit? That many. That many, that's right. We did all the Universal parks, and we even technically visited 3 Disney parks. That was a trip.
And Tower of Terror.
The Tower of Terror, that was a good one. What was your favorite ride, Alex?
Probably the Harry Potter one.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say Frankenstein. All right, y'all. Hey, it's been a blast.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.